Did you know about these amazing benefits of eating cranberries? Cranberries are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and can even help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Cranberries are a great source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost your immune system and can help keep you healthy. And finally, did you know that cranberries are a great source of fiber? Fiber helps keep your digestive system healthy and can help you feel fuller for longer. So there you have it. Cranberries are a great addition to any diet and can provide you with a variety of health benefits. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.